everyone. Today let's talk about DG oil seal. This product size is internal diameter is 68 and external diameter is 90 and sink is 10. This is 10. This is a DG oil seal. And this is with a spring. Look, this is a spring. This product is made of NBR rubber or FKM rubber, and this is metal. It has the following features. The first one is long service life, good abrasion resistance, and high temperature resistance. Good structure, aging resistance and oil leakage prevention, mud and pure water. It's applicable to mechanical engineering and equipment processing industry, sealing of transmission system of agricultural machinery and engineering machinery. Welcome everyone to inquire and order.